Okay, here it says Leslie surveyed a group of students about their transportation to school. The results are shown in the table below. So these are the results, and then it says what percent of students walk to school. Okay, so we need to figure out the percent of students that walk to school. So let me do my UPSL right here. Oh, okay, so let's do like this. Okay, do this right here and this right here. So we're going to rewrite our question as our statement. So it says blank percent of students walk to school. Let's make this smaller. Okay, so you're going to go right there. So now, right here, we need to list out our steps. Okay, so our step 1 was to find our parts, find our parts and our total. 2 is to set a proportion. Sorry, number 2, set up proportion. Step 3 is to, if we can, simplify. And then number 4 was solve. Okay, so these are the steps that we need to follow in order for us to do our work. Okay, so let me see if I put it right here, would it look nicer? Yeah, okay. So now here, if this is our survey, we know some students walk to school, others ride the bus, and some their parents drop off. So we want to know the students that walk to school, okay? So this is only part of my students, okay? So this, I'm going to label it as P, okay? So if I'm going to label that as P for part, do I know my total amount of students who were surveyed? No, I don't. They never told me anywhere, but I can look at this table right here. So if I add all my stuff right here at the table, so 8 plus 2 is 10. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have in total 40 students, okay? So then if I'm talking about my part over my total, okay, I have blank percent over 100. Okay, so I'm going to use this box right here for any simplifying. So I have my part over my total, which is equal to 12 because I want the 12 out of my total, which is 40, okay? So now from here, I want to know, can I simplify, okay? So if I think about it, right, I can try 4 to divide. 4 can go into both numbers. So 12 divided by 4 is 3. And then 40 divided by 4 is 10. So now I have 3/10, okay? So now, instead of using 12 over 40, I'm going to use the fraction 3 over 10, and I'm going to fill that out right here, 3 over 10. I don't know my percentage, but that's what I'm going to figure out, okay? So instead of doing cross multiply and divide, I can easily find my pattern here. So if I'm going from 10 to 100, 10 times what should give me 100? 10 times 10. So that means here, I'm going to also multiply by 10, and I get 30. So my answer here is 30%. So 30% of students walk to school.